So let's sign up for an account on Alchemy. I have already have an account and I'm already logged in. So that's how you will going to see your dashboard. So let's create an app. We are going to get a week second week. Then we have on Ethereum and we are using Goerli network. Let's create an app. Okay, so we have created it. Now we will going to get these details from here. Here it is. So I have just hide them for the security concern as I just described. That's the API key. That's the URL, HTTPS URL that we need to copy it, which I have the key also. So I have copied it, and now let me show you how we can export our private key.